Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 500 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This unit is missing the Variac knob here, so you would need some sort of channel lock pliers or some sort of knob on there. The price reflects that missing knob on our end. Unit is wired for 220 volt 3-phase. Overall dimensions 19 inches long by 24 inches wide by 28 inches high. It's in good working condition, has been tested here at Lanco. And we'll come back around to the front and we'll turn it on and turn the channel locks. And the bolts rise up. Take a look at the ripple wave over here. Very steady, very quiet machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.